know how flexible they're going to be.
Maybe move your jaw forward a bit, get it in the cutter. Yeah, it was kind of in the ball of the fingers there.
Might have got some.
I think there's something in there. Yeah.
Oh, I would dump what you got.
Actually, it's right.
Yeah, because
it's right there. You can see it in this view.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Looks like. Let's
could you
zoom in on Zeus
your
Plus. Why don't you hold it there, Don?
Yeah, let's see what you got in your jaws.
If you could zoom in, Bob, on Zeus Plus, I'll tilt your camera up.
I would suggest you keep this. I think that's enough.
Okay.
I'll answer the
Zoom out, Bob.
mystery.
All right, so you got grip lock in. Okay, let's get the arm. If we can get the arm just up a little bit, clear of the rock in case you slide down. That's fine. That should be good. You can index out. And then I would go ahead and... I think you could put the arm down real quick. And both hands on the controls, and then you can come out, you can keep auto head in, and then come out of joy lock and bump up, come up off the bottom a bit, and now you'll have to help me keep an eye on things here as he does that, just lightly.
This is what you get when you're negative all the time, Chris.
Absolutely.
Come up
I'm telling you, it's
more.
productive. So you know why we haven't been seeing as many sea stars? Because you figured we would. That's simple as that.
And then, actually, why don't you turn to port a bit?
Cruel.
No, sorry.
And
You've seen some.
so I'm gonna put your Sirius camera back on momentarily. Yeah, we'll get you straightened out here a little bit. There, that's a Sirius camera. Here's your Zeus back. So why don't you turn to port, and then push out a little bit. Yeah. So go ahead and turn to port. Go ahead and push ahead a bit and come up while you do that.
Oops.
I think you're caught on the side here. You gotta tilt your Zeus down a bit. Coming up a bit here. Turn to port and push forward. I think that's pretty good. So I would just leave auto XY in.
The fourth one over.
Yeah.
I just did it by counting.
Yeah. So auto, and then come out of auto altitude, and then go into auto depth. And then, so now you're going to be at that set point. What you can do is just give yourself a bump upward on the stick, and that'll just raise your set point.
You have it done. I got it in Zeus. Yep. I've been watching it.
So now what I would do is we can go ahead and get everything set up and get the craft oriented, and then you'll just give a light bump up on the elevation stick to change the set point to be a little shallower, just slightly, and that'll move you upward, force water into the box. As you open the jaws, it'll push it down into the box, right? So, yeah. Is it engaged right now? Okay. I think you'll be all right. So I'm gonna. Why don't you? I'm gonna take your camera.
I'll get
You got
that.
it.
Well,
You're gonna go for port side. So I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Both
So
open.
I'm gonna extend it here. Okay. So now I'm gonna follow you over with Mini Zeus. So when you index in, I would come down on the arm a little bit.
oh, there it goes.
I think there's still some in the fingers though. We'll see. And watch how close you are. Come in here with Mini Zeus. You got it. Yep. So get it positioned, and then before you open the jaws, what I would do is give yourself a bump up, just lightly. That's good. Yep, that's good.
All right, well, a piece went in. So, wow, thank you, Don, for a difficult one. Appreciate it. Oh, no, we've got a piece.
If we're lucky, maybe that other piece fell in the rock box or something.
Yeah. I think that may end the benthic portion of the dive.
Coming over.
So this ends the benthic portion of the dive. We've been proceeding up a ridge starting at about 2,470 meters, and we're currently at around 2,350 meters. We've had a lot of hard bottom type fauna, a bunch of glass sponges, as well as several colonial octocorals. We've seen a number from chrysogorgiids, as well as some crinoids. We saw a really nice benthic siphonophore early on in the dive, one that was sort of perched inside a sort of concavity in a big basalt boulder. We've seen a lot of different echinoderms today, including one of those goniastrids that was collected a few months ago, which is a new genus and species, a large slime star, as well as some brasyngids and a large
Kind of
low
wrist,
faster,
to
which
the right a bit.
which was
So
also
bent
about 10
inward a little
centimeters
bit.
across. We've seen a number of shrimps and barnacles, as well as some cusk eels, but we were graced today with a wonderful snailfish, probably a new genus and species, something that no one has seen before. So we've had a lot of really unusual observations today, things that are in some
So
ways
you're
we've
rotating
seen a
the
lot of
wrist.
conventional
It's,
types of things like chrysogorgiids, but also, like I said, really remarkable fish that no one's ever seen before. So in a short time, we're going to begin
So it's,
the pelagic part of the dive, and you'll get to see such
Why don't you move? Bump the
amazing
elbow out a
things
little bit.
as different kinds of comb jellies, different types of even fishes, even different types of swimming single-celled organisms, all kinds
Here, why
of
don't you
bizarre
index out?
things that live in the largest biome on Earth.
So I wanted to make a quick note before turning it over to Mike Ford and others for the midwater dive. The weather is still holding, and we are going to try for a final dive
Okay,
tomorrow.
let's just do it and leave
We
it.
have to map the area first. It's a completely unmapped seamount right on the eastern
Why don't
boundary
you risk pitching up a
of
bit?
the Johnston Atoll Unit of the monument. And so
Yeah,
there's
leave it
no
right
point
there.
really
That's
doing
fine.
a post or pre-dive because we have no clue right now. It's going to be another one
Yeah,
of
we'll
these
leave it.
That's it.
figure it
Okay.
out at 4 o'clock in the
And,
morning
we should
type
be
of deals.
moving to stow
But
everything else.
anyway, that's it.
What
Just
time
wanted
to
to
get
let
going?
everybody know that for now, at least, we're planning on diving tomorrow. So, Mike Ford, are you out there and on the telecom line?